Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making pambazos. It's a really quick, easy, affordable meal, and if you want to see how I make them, just keep on watching. Alright, let's start with the ingredients and what we're going to need. I have pork chorizo. I think you can use any type of chorizo, it doesn't matter. I prefer pork. I got mine from Food Max, but I usually get it from different places. That's just where I got it this time. Also, you're going to need 3 russet potatoes. Cut them up into like little cubes. 3 guajillo chilies. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. And this is these chilies are for the sauce. Also, this is for the sauce. I got 8 little black peppercorns, half a teaspoon of Mexican oregano, 1 garlic clove. You're gonna need some hot water just to place your chilies in to let them soak. But that's after you devein them and take off, you know, these little stems. And then after that, when you actually make it, you're gonna use lettuce if you like lettuce. I like crema, also some cheese, and I have salsa in the refrigerator, but I'll show you guys that later. So I cleaned my hands, guys. But we're gonna place our potatoes in some water. And sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, so it's taking a little time. Okay, and over here, turn on the, I say like medium high. And honestly, I'm not good with time, so I'm going to put a little timer to remind myself. I'm gonna put 9 minutes and then go from there. And then get another pan, and while you're boiling your potatoes, you are going to cook your chorizo. And I'm gonna put it like a medium heat. While the potatoes are cooking, we are going to put the chorizo. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. Cooking the chorizo, you just want to like cut it up a little bit. Turn the heat back up since it's not popping anymore at me. Now we're going to check the potatoes. Let me see. Maybe like a minute or so. Let me turn the heat up just so it can cook a little bit faster. Then you're gonna keep like stirring it around. I'm gonna show you guys how I devein these chilies. So I just, you could do it with your hands, but sometimes it's a little hard. So I'm gonna just make a little slit. And this is what you're gonna wanna take out. You see all these seeds in there? Yeah, I'm gonna just dump them right here. Okay, and nothing's left inside. Then we're gonna place it in our hot water here. And then I'm gonna do that to the rest of them. It's been about 10 to 12 minutes for the potatoes, and I believe they're done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just turn this off. We're gonna take it over here to our strainer. Let's dump it in our strainer. Drain all the water out. All right, now let's take it back to our chorizo. Our chorizo is cooking. What we're gonna do is we are going to dump our potatoes in our chorizo. And we are going to stir it around and let like the potatoes kind of marinate in the chorizo, I guess you could say. Give them some color. It smells so good.
Honestly, it's up to you. You can add more salt or pepper, whatever you like. I personally don't add until like the end, kind of just like salt to taste. I wish I would have got more chorizo because it looks like there's more potatoes, but it'll be good. Just let it all mix together.
And right now I have my heat on like low, medium. Excuse the mess. The chorizo is like popping everywhere. Alright, I'm just gonna let that like cook for about like 2 more minutes. Now for the sauce. You're gonna need a blender, and all you're gonna have to do is all those ingredients that I showed you earlier: oregano, garlic, and black peppercorns. You're going to dump it in your blender. You are going to, I'm gonna use a little tongue. You grab your chilies. Place those in the blender as well. And then this water, do not throw away. What you're gonna do is, I got one of my measuring cups. You're gonna need a 1 cup. And again, sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, so if I drop any, I'm sorry. You're gonna place some of that water and fill it up to the 1 cup. And we're gonna use that to blend your sauce.
So after I blended it, what I did was I grabbed a strainer and I strained the chilies, and I grabbed a bowl to put the juice inside. Also what I did was I took that sauce and I put it into a little pan, and I let it simmer for about 5 minutes on low. It's not necessary, but that's the step that I took, and then you'll see what I do next. Alright, so we're here. Excuse the pan. We had already started eating, and I didn't get to record like the first sandwich that I made, so it's a little bit messy, but this is the steps that I take to make the pambazos. Alright, and this right here is my mother-in-law's salsa. It is a bomb. It is spicy, but I love spicy. And I'm sorry I didn't get to record like me putting all the add-ons on, but I put lettuce, queso fresco, crema, and then my mother-in-law's salsa. Now I didn't get to record like a taste test because we all grubs. This is one meal that I feel like it's just like easy, takes not too long. I would say about 20-25 minutes, and it's so delicious. My boyfriend loves it. I love it. So simple to make, and I hope you guys enjoy, and you guys can make it at home too.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would love for you guys to join my family. I do plan on doing like mommy vlogs, maybe more cooking videos, depends. I'm not a chef or anything. These are just recipes that I've learned before, and I just wanted to make a video so you guys can you know, cook for your mans. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, thank you guys so much for watching.